It is about to the morning time. Now the surrounding is full of the white brown, and behind me the sun is also rising, and the farmers have come towards me, not towards me. They are going their own field to sow the paddy field like this. Very beautiful, very lucky moment. I have lucky. I was born in Bangladesh, especially in village. Without visiting, without boarding in this type of village, I never observe or I never can be seen this type of village beautifulness in the winter season. In this village, I was born and also brought up, and still I'm living. And I will have enjoy my rest of life seeing this type of environment also. Beautiful nature looks also beautiful because my looks also beautiful. So this is all the thing of my video. I'm encouraging you everyone to practice like me, to practice like better to me. And you practice as much as better to me, you try to speak like me. Whenever you get chance, because you have a mobile phone, you have a mobile phone, you have an environment, and you could practice anytime, anywhere, it doesn't matter. This time I'm going to my house. I have no enough time to make video. Guys, so practice inshallah. Goodbye. Not. I will never escape from the mobile phone. I will make this video around more time. So never spend your time. Never use your time. Never waste your time. So use your time as much as possible. Then you must be success in your life. And never waste your all around the time. And practice every day, every moment, and everything. You must be successful in your life. So keep practicing better to me. Keep practicing better to me, and inshallah one day you must be successful in your life, and you must can practice like a native speaker. Haha. One kind of man-made canal has been made it right now. You have seen this recently. It's made like this way. Oh my god, I have made a lot of video today and my hands is still in pain, but I will never stop making video, brothers, for you, for my sisters, for my younger, for my senior. It doesn't matter who are watching my video, because I help other people. I want to help. I always try to be equal to speak. Practice. Never waste your time. Never waste your money without any specific or good place. So use your surrounding, I always take, and use your brain. And after talking too much, making too much video, I have out of my mind. Even I have no idea what I am saying. I think I'm saying good thing. Behind me there is two birds. You're seeing one of flight from their stick. Birds cannot be friend with man, because man in harmful. Because many harshful, they never take care of the birds. So birds take care of their own self. I'm go for what? If you get chance, I will talk to them. By the way, birds cannot talk without except some birds. And I'm going to my house right now, and I'm going and I'm seeing the different kind of birds. I also told you in winter season the unique birds comes to our village, and this is one of them. It is unique bird. You could also comment on the comment box. So I will see more inshallah. Before me there is my uncle who is coming towards me. No problem, but I'm going to my house. So this is my end of the video, and here is my uncle. He is going to check up his field and Paris out. Okay, and he's my owners of this team. Do you know how much he is rich? He looks like a poor person, but he's very rich. Don't you have idea about his? So guys, I'm very hungry. My stomach is growing. I have no idea about this time. I'm going to escape from this video, but not forever. Goodbye.